What's the word? My name is Paige and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting the 12-minute makeup challenge. So Aaliyah J came up with this challenge, and basically you have to complete your whole entire makeup routine in 12 minutes or less. So I already did my eyebrows and it took me about like 3 minutes. So that means I have 9 minutes left to complete the rest of my look. So make sure you subscribe if you like to see more content like this, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. Okay, starting the timer. Wait, starting the timer now. gosh. I missed a bunch of steps. Oh my gosh. This looks ridiculous. Looks ridiculous.
What?
How's it look?
Like your everyday makeup.
That's not good.
Even though you got mascara in the middle of your nose.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so well, this was a fail. I missed a bunch of steps. I forgot my freaking primer. I didn't even try to do lashes. I didn't even think about lashes because Lord knows. My lips look good. I got mascara. Look, that's when I knew that I fucked up. Like, that's when I knew that I was gonna fail this challenge, when I got the mascara right there. I think my base is pretty good, but it's just little things. Oh my gosh. Typically, it takes me like 30 to 45 minutes to do my everyday makeup routine. And like maybe 25 minutes if I'm like rushing. But this, I don't know what's happening. It's not too bad. I just feel like I'm powdery. And like, it's stuff that I can see is missing. Like, makeup right here. It's literally no makeup right there. Missing. Yeah, I missed the spot. Ugh.
Yeah, you failed.
This was a fail. At least I'm glowing. Like, my glow is there. My bronzer came and she conquered this. She conquered. But yeah, it was fun though. I had fun. I think I put on a lot of makeup because I was rushing. But it was pretty good. It was pretty fun. Will I do this again? Yes, because next time I do it, I'm not gonna fail miserably. It's good right there. So let's wrap it up.
I couldn't hear anything over there, to be honest.
If you enjoyed watching me fail at the 12-minute makeup challenge, make sure that you like this video. If you want to see more challenges or just more of me, make sure you hold on. This is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed by now, come on, it's free. And until next time, be nice to people. Bye.